Hello, once again, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making jollof rice. You can see our tomatoes all washed, our pepper, our onions all washed and clean. So we have to blend them. We have to blend them. And after blending, I usually boil them for a bit. So these are other ingredients: the tomato paste, our curry, our thyme. We have our bay leaf, our onions, our already washed rice, and other seasonings. So inside the pot, I added vegetable oil. I allow it to get hot for a bit, then I added into the onions. After adding the onions, I will now go in with the tomato paste. Now allow it to fry for a bit. After which we add in our blended tomatoes and pepper, already boiled though. Keep watching, guys. So we allow that to keep frying for a bit. After stirring, we'll cover it and allow it to cook for a bit. So at this point, we check to see if it's boiling. Yeah, at this point it's already boiling. So we'll add in our seasonings. After stirring, add in our seasonings and allow it to continue cooking. At this point, we're trying to make the stew. You can see me adding the seasonings, the curry and other seasonings. So after it has boiled for a bit, maybe like the water is getting dried a bit, we'll now add in our stock. Can be beef stock, can be chicken stock, whatever stock you have, you add it to it. You can also add water as well and allow it to boil. It is after it boils at this stage that you add in your already washed rice. So you can see it's already boiling. So it's now time for us to add in our rice. We are making jollof rice for 15 people. That is why it's much, and that's why we had to use a big pot. So in goes our rice, already washed rice. So we'll cover it, the pot, and allow it to cook. So we have to be mindful of the quantity of water we put. Keep watching, guys. You can see the water has dried up a bit and the rice is not yet done. So we'll just add in a little water, and allow it to keep cooking. You have to do this to avoid it getting burnt, and the food has to be done. Keep watching. Now we'll check again to see if the rice is cooked. If it's not yet cooked and there's not much water, we'll add just little water. Wow, I think our rice is done. So we'll add in our already sliced onions, and we'll have to mix everything together. It's a thorough mixing because the stew has to mix with the rice to give it that jollof rice texture and the flavor. So mix, 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 mix. You can see the steam. Whoo, the aroma is wow. It's out of this world. Keep mixing to make sure everything is well incorporated. Our rice is ready. Wow, so beautiful, so tasty. Wow, the aroma is out of this world. Wow. So that's how we make our jollof rice here in West Africa, Nigeria to be precise. So at this point, if you have veggies, you can add it into it. But I'm not adding any vegetables to it, so I'm just gonna leave it plain. Wow, this is wow. You can see our rice is ready. Our jollof rice is ready. Wow. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you again in another video. Bye.